I'm Brent, and today I'm going to show you guys how to turn a natural edge vase. Check it out. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn a tenon on the end of it. That way we can turn it around, mount it in my chuck. That way we can hollow out the inside and do a lot more of the shaping without having the tailstock in the way. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I've got this thing mounted on my lathe. Now I'm going to go ahead and start to work on taking off most of the rough surface. I'm going to leave some of it because this is a natural edge vase. So I'm going to leave some of the bark on there. Then after that, we can start working on shaping it like a vase. Then after that, we're going to drill a hole in the end. Okay, so I've got this thing shaped the way I want it. Now before I sand it, I'm going to drill just a second, I don't know what size hole I'm going to drill yet. So I'm going to probably drill about a 5/8 hole. That way I'll have a pretty decent amount of wall thickness. So I'm going to go ahead and start working on that. Alright, I'm ready to start drilling the hole out. I got my drill bit in the tailstock, so I'm going to work on drilling this out. This is a piece of apple, so it's fairly hard wood. I'm going to be using an air compressor the whole time to help blow out the chips and keep the bit cool. You don't want the bit to overheat because then it doesn't hold a sharp edge and it's pretty much useless. So I'm going to go ahead and start working on the drilling. Then after that, we're going to start on the sanding part. Alright, so I've got this thing sanded through 400 grit. It is nice and smooth. Now I'm going to go ahead and part off this end over here. Take that all the way off. Sand the bottom. Then we're going to go ahead and put a finish on it. So we're going to go ahead and part that off now. I'm going to use my thin 1/16 of an inch parting tool. Get that cut off. And then we'll sand the bottom of it. Alright, so now that we're done turning it, I am going to go ahead and sign the bottom. After that, we're going to put a finish on it. I'm going to be using Mahoney's walnut oil and then also some Mahoney's wax. I'm going to put the oil on first, then I'm going to wait about 2 days, put the wax on after that. If you want to see a really good video about how to apply this finish, go check out Craft Supplies USA's video. They have a video on how to apply this finish and it's really good, so I'll have a link to that down in the description below. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button and share it with all of your friends. If you want to see some of the other things I'm working on, be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'll have links to those down in the description below. If you want to help support my channel, be sure to go check out my Patreon page. I'll have a link to that down below as well. If you want to see whenever I post new videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see some of my other videos, be sure to check these ones out right over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.